Future chefs of the Twin Cities, Chef Jai is back with another 10-minute or less quick and easy recipe. Today I'm going to do a peanut butter cookie. All right. So first and foremost, for anything, like, comment, subscribe the video if you're interested. Even after this video, like, comment, subscribe this video. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and get started quick and easy here. First and foremost, when you get into the kitchen, before you prepare your ingredients, you want to make sure you wash your hands. My hands are clean and ready to go. Mise en place, we talked about that earlier in one of my beginning of my videos where we talk about the importance of getting everything together. So you see I have my pan here, I have my parchment paper already greased, and that's for when you make cookies, you want to make sure they don't stick to the pan. I have my ingredients set, I got every tool that I need. It's going to take a very easy process. This is a 5-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe. So for those of you who have peanut allergies, or I know that's a big thing now, feel free at any given time when you're making this recipe. You can use this for with almond butter, soy butter, hazelnut butter, or anything like that, or basically anything that's a nut-free butter. It's an easy substitute for peanut butter. I myself can eat peanut butter, and I know plenty of people that can. So this is just an iteration of, again, a peanut butter cookie recipe. But again, feel free to use a soy butter, almond butter, or a nut-free butter. It works all the same. First thing you're going to do, I have my peanut butter here, and I'm going to put it into the bowl. And this is 1 cup of peanut butter, okay? So 1 cup of peanut butter. I have all my ingredients already set, and they're measured out equally. 1 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you don't want to waste everything. Don't want to waste the goodness. Okay. I'm just going to put that into the bowl. Okay, set that to the side. And also have 1 cup of sugar. That goes right in. It seems like a lot, but it is cookies. So, and also I have here, I have 1 cup, not 1 cup, excuse me. I have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt mixed in. Okay, so again, it's just 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. It just goes together. Those are the dry ingredients. Okay, and we're going to wait on that. We also have 1 egg. I'm gonna crack that 1 egg. Whoop. Don't make sure if you drop an eggshell in your bakes that you pick it up right away. You want any physical contaminants in your recipes. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and whisk this. After I whisk this up, it's gonna get a little messy looking here. Then I'm gonna add in my 4th cup of flour and my teaspoon of salt next. And it's going to look pretty dry, but then again, it's going to smooth out. It's going to smooth right out. Okay? Okay, so see, it doesn't take long to incorporate that. I'm going to get my dry ingredients in here, my 4th cup of flour, along with my teaspoon of salt. Last but not least, I have my vanilla extract. And I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon here. I got my teaspoon. I got my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's going to go right in. And I'm going to mix this all together. Once you mix this all together, your peanut butter cookie dough is going to be ready. So again, this is going to firm up pretty good, but you want that. Okay? It is a cookie dough. And you see it's all mixed in with the whisk here. So that's natural, that's normal. I'm making a little bit of a mess here, so I'm going to get my towel. Okay. And I'm going to use my spatula and get all that goodness out. Once you form this peanut butter dough or nut dough, a nut-free dough, soy butter, almond butter, whatever, what have you, you can just roll these up into little balls, press them down a little bit into your oven. Make sure before you make this recipe that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And you're going to cook these, I'm sorry, not cook, you're going to bake these for 10 to possibly 15 minutes. Okay? These cookies are going to go fairly quick. Now, I also have on the side here, you see I have a 4th cup of strawberry jam because I am going to make a A little bit of a different recipe. I'm going to do a twist on peanut butter cookies, and I'm going to do a peanut butter and jelly cookie. So I have my strawberry jam. If you want to try that, feel free. All I'm going to do is halfway through my baking process for these cookies. So again, I said these cook at about 10 to 15 minutes. So halfway through, which is 7 minutes, I'm going to take these cookies out of the oven. I'm going to take my thumb and press it down while the dough is still soft in the middle. And I'm going to take a small spoonful of strawberry jam, and I'm going to give about a teaspoon or a little bit bigger of that right into the middle. And I'm going to let them continue baking for the other 7 minutes. Once your cookies are done, you're going to take them out, let them cool, and you can either serve them immediately or whenever you feel like you want to get to it. I know for those of you out there who are cookie fans, you're like, we're not waiting. As soon as those cookies come out the oven, you're ready to eat it, bucko. And I totally agree. So that dough is done. It is formed. And what I like to do is I take my dough, I take my spoonfuls, I get a spoon, I do a little spray. It just makes it easier to scoop and it doesn't stick. Roll into little balls like so. Okay. And just very gentle. Don't have to be an expert. It's kind of like making meatballs like that. Okay. And you're going to put it onto your baking sheet. Okay. So I'll bring it a little closer. Go put it onto your baking sheet. Just like that. And then you want to press down. Okay. Just like that. Not too much. Alright. And you're going to repeat this process until they're done. Okay. I'll show a part 2 of this video when they're all done. I'll show the process of putting the jam in the middle. Okay. And show the final result. So again, this is my 10-minute or less quick and easy peanut butter cookie recipe. Again, I'm doing a reiteration where I'm going to add a little bit of jam for a peanut butter and jelly cookie recipe. This is Chef Ja, Future Chefs of the Twin Cities. This is my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe in this video. And again, tune in for part 2 of this video coming up soon. Thank you.